hammer curl is great for adding density to the arms. It's going to work the brachialis. The brachialis is the muscle that starts in the bicep. It comes all the way down into the forearms. You're going to also feel it in the forearms when you do a hammer curl. Now, if I want to go light and do a hammer curl, I can, and I can just come all the way up. When I do it nice and controlled, slow and controlled, okay? Now, if we want to go a little bit heavier because you're trying to put some size on your arms, then what I like to do is just bring it up to about 90 degrees right here and angle it in just a little bit. It's going to help you so that you can lift a heavier weight, which is going to be great for getting the arms just a little bit bigger. Now, one other thing that I actually like to do, some people might think it's kind of cheating, but it's kind of good if you want to even go a little bit heavier. Get like a heavy weight like this, and I'll kind of like swing it up a little bit. Okay, now I know that's not the greatest form, but it helps your muscles to like kind of feel that weight, and then your form can get better as you go. But that's great for adding size to the biceps. Okay, so hammer curl, great bicep exercise. You can do them slow and controlled, 2 at a time, or you can like go a little bit heavier, angle them in, do them 1 at a time for some more size. But that's it. Thanks for joining me today.